Hey, I'm Young. I'm a hairdresser here at Images Beauty Salon, and I've been doing hair for over 35 years. With COVID-19, we had to buckle down, keep everything clean. The clients, they was kind of skeptical at first about coming in. Some of them didn't return right away. With the pandemic going on, it took a toll on the industry. We made sure that we covered ourselves, sanitized how we were supposed to have been doing, keeping everything, clean just like a doctor's office. And we would wash the shampoo bowls down, sanitize, make sure the chairs and everything. We tried to do our best. Once we came back from the COVID, after those 6 weeks, we tried to follow the rules. Everybody masked up and kept their areas clean. We spaced out more, made sure that we were 6 feet apart. Everybody just had their own little space, and we was in and out. We didn't sit around. We just did our job, and we just left the building. A lot of people, they're not covering up anymore. I kept myself covered all the time. I haven't let the mask go yet. I just wanted to be safe because I know the mask, it was doing some good because people was coming to me that ended up getting COVID. Then some people, they'll come up to you and they'll have COVID, and you don't even know if they had it. You have to wear your mask. Keep yourself covered because it's a safety in the mask. A lot of people, they don't like the mask because they say they can't breathe in it. But I feel like if you want to live, you have to cover yourself up. I took the vaccine and the booster. It didn't do nothing to me. I have family members, all my sisters. I have 7 sisters. We all took it, and our children. And I'm still here. I'm grateful that I'm here because I lost a few clients that succumbed to the COVID-19. I would encourage people to get vaccinated. Because most of the people that I'm around, they have been vaccinated. If you are afraid and have any kind of doubts about the COVID-19 vaccination, talk to your health provider, your doctor, a nurse. Talk to someone because it's critical in these times that we are living in right now with the different viruses coming on to us that we cover up and keep ourselves safe.